Create and execute anonymous PL SQL blocks. What is the procedure in SQL? SQL procedure is a group of PL SQL statements that you can call by name. All specifications, sometimes called specs, declares a Java method or a third generation language routine so that it can be called from SQL and PL SQL. The call specs tells Oracle database which Java method to invoke when a call is made. So a stored procedure is isolated from the implementation details of the stored procedure and from the underlying schema. Okay, stored procedures can reduce network traffic because SQL statements can be executed in batches rather than sending multiple requests from the client. The PL/SQL anonymous block. What is a PL/SQL anonymous block? PL/SQL an anonymous block is an unnamed sequence of actions. Since they are unnamed, anonymous blocks can be referenced by other program units, in contrast to anonymous blocks. Stored named blocks include packages, procedures, and functions. Okay. So the PL/SQL anonymous block statement is an executable statement. Okay, it is an executable statement that can contain PL/SQL control statements and also SQL statements. It can be used to implement procedure and logic in a scripting language. Okay. So anonymous blocks are used in various environments. You remember we discussed this in the class. As either executed directly or enclosed in some program in that environment. That the enclosing object provides the context and possibly a means of naming the program. See the table below, which we actually discussed. Enclosing objects, environment, description, client-side trigger, that is for the enclosing objects. The environment is Oracle development tools, where executable statements in the form builders or reports. Builder triggers packaged as an anonymous block by the tool. See, I have here given the enclosing objects. Here one is the client side trigger, the other one is a database trigger, and what would be the environment suitable for each of the trigger. The environment here is table level data manipulation or database event. I have also given here the description. Trigger body. While the trigger has a name, the PL/SQL code itself is an unnamed anonymous. Okay. Why unnamed? Is because it is an anonymous. Okay. That is script. Here the environment is SQL plus or equivalent and compiled program, and here the environment is embedded language. Okay. Whenever you attach PL/SQL code to a trigger or field in a tool like Forms Builder, that code establishes an anonymous PL/SQL block. When you write this code, you can enter a fully specified PL/SQL block, declaration, execution, and exception sections, or you can enter only the execution section. Okay. And this is a stored function, also called as user function or user defined function. This is a set of PL/SQL statements you can call by name. Stored functions are very similar to procedure, except that a function returns a value to the environment in which it is called. Okay, how do you create a stored program? To build your own stored PL/SQL program, you can use one SQL create statements.